July 17th, 2017. Out on the MoJoe with Captain Joe. Finally, since the 4th of July.
It's been a while.
Yes, it's been a while.
Somebody has to work and make money.
That's right.
I've been busy.
So now, getting ready to have, you know what, people, you know what? Toasted everything bagel with 25 pounds of bacon. Bacon.
You should.
Hey, Joe. There's so much bacon, it's thicker than the bagel.
And that bagel's thick. Brooklyn bagel.
Getting out of the creek, it's a beautiful day so far.
It's a beautiful morning.
Here we go again. Who's running the freaking boat?
I gotta get the bait. Okay. Fucking bait.
Talk about autopilot. George, what you got there?
I got my new reel.
Wow. That looks great. Let it go.
Okay. Got it.
Joe's first of the day, a sea bass.
It's supposed to be loaded with porgies. Where are the porgies? The release.
Second drift, got stuck twice, I just lost my rig.
Rockin' Robin, sweet, sweet, rockin' Robin.
Well, we haven't been out since around July 4th. I got my first fish of the year since then, and you know what it feels like? Not a porgy,
A bluefish?
not a bluefish,
Fluke?
not a fluke.
What could it be?
Guess what?
Oh, man.
Here they come. Shot for Joe. And it's number one. We saw it.
Oh, nothing.
What you got there, George?
Hope it's a porgy.
Fighting like one, right?
Yeah, fighting like one.
Yeah. It's in disguise. Porgy in disguise. How many's that?
Number 2.
You gonna release that?
Yep.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
Ready?
Yes.
Ready?
Yes. Well, we're going to our upteenth drop.
They're all over.
They're all over. You want to see how many? Watch this. Check the bottom of the boat.
In the bucket.
In the bucket. You see the bucket? Now check the bottom of the boat. Look at the wingspan on this guy.
that your new reel?
That's my new reel. Oh, I lost. Oh, there he is. I still got it. There he is.
Wait, set the drag.
Oh, wait.
You gotta blow in the hose.
Oh, there he is. I lost. Oh, no, there he is. He's back.
You got him?
Yeah, I got him.
He needs the net?
I don't know yet. He's fighting like crazy.
Is he taking the drag out?
Yeah, I gotta play. Oh! I'm telling you.
I told you, you were going to lose it.
This must be Moby Dick.
Let me get the net. How much line you got out?
Oh. There he is.
Oh, God.
It's a rock.
A rocker.
There he is. My new reel. Woo.
What is that? Water?
It's Italian water. It's frizzante. It's a frizzante. Frizzante?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Wow. You gotta set that drag a little looser, George.
Yeah, too tight.
They're too tight. Good, George. I never saw that done before. Way to go.
Fish on for Joe. He's saying it's a porgy. He's saying it's a porgy. And it's a porgy.
Oh, God. For the soup, no? Porgy soup?
Porgy soup.
But you know what we'll do with this guy?
Yeah.
To release. Get the phone number.
I'm gonna get it on video.
What happened? What happened? All that time? We go now.
There's the Kitty Beach. All the kids are in the water having fun. And the mommies are up on the beach on the top taking the sun. End of day.
Is it?
Early day. We had a great day on the water.
Beautiful day out.
Nice. Reports were porgies were jumping in the boat.
The porgies, right?
That's what they said. Porgies jumping in the boat.
Anywhere. Everywhere.
And we managed one porgy about 6 inches. Caught by Joe.
Must have been the tide.
I was rocking clean with 3. Joe caught a small sea bass around the same size, 6 inches or so. And one rocker and the small porgy. But it was a great day on the water. Thanks for the invite, Joe.
Anytime, George.
And we'll see what happens tomorrow. We might be heading out again tomorrow with Sal and Michael. Great day.